Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today is very tired and not the best feeling also, but it's okay. Yeah, we're not going to do pull-ups because it's raining a little bit. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. The moment really too much people in there. Their family, because there are many kids. They are fishing, doing different kinds of activities in there. There is a couple, they are pushing the stroller, so we give them time to push it, relax. The rain has stopped already, but now again it's raining, and this time it is stronger, heavier. I don't really want to shower in the rain today because I'm not prepared. I feel like going to the grocery, but too many people. We are home and I think these are dry already. I leave it here last night. And the rain continues. It is raining outside. Yo! Good afternoon guys. I almost hit the tree. Yeah, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Nice weather today. Yeah, start today will be sunny according to the news that I saw last night. Yeah. It's good. A feeling I never outgrew. Yeah, there's not so much people here this time. There's just two groups. Maybe they are one together. I'm not going to do pull-ups today. I am feeling lazy. And you know, this morning when I get out of the house, I realized that this bike has no battery. Yeah, I said, oh, and the time was already 5:10. Yeah, so I said, oh, I might be going too late because I don't have battery. Because without battery I will be tired, because some parts are going up, but it's good. I was able to come to work relaxed and easy still. Actually like 10 minutes more before the time, 6 o'clock. There are some people on my spot. I usually stay there because it's a nice spot, and as expected there are so many people here. Yeah, that is ice cream. Oh, this guy. He doesn't look young, but he's still using the push scooter, manual one. Because when I was in Dubai, I was playing the skateboard, and then the French chef, he saw me and he said, "Are you a kid?" Yeah, you're playing just for kid, he said. And this is how it is here in the town center. Yeah, still that jumping tarpaulin is still there. Many people. Along the way I was thinking, what to do, where to go this coming 2 days. Yeah, because I will be day off tomorrow. I start to now, I am day off, and then tomorrow and Sunday. Yeah, 2 days off. Here in Australia, every worker, full-time worker, we have 2 days off. It doesn't matter if you are working in hospitality or a fast food restaurant, hotel. Yeah, you have 2 days off. If you compare to Dubai or in the Middle East or in the Philippines, we have just 1 day off if you are working in customer service. Yeah, so here is good. Day off is really satisfying. I mean, you have time to enjoy the life, do the things you wanna do. Yeah, 2 days off is just so good. And it is possible for you to have 4 days off if you combine the 2 weeks day off. So you can go a little far away or a little longer. Yeah, so I don't know what to do, where to go, because yeah, the weather I think is going to be nice starting today. This is how it is at the moment. There are many people. Oh, but look in there. It still looks like the clouds are getting darker from that side, so maybe it is going to rain. I don't know. And at the moment, you can see those people. Yeah, they are coming from that dolphin and whale watch. They are local tourists. I mean, they are living here in New South Wales. They just travel to this regional area. Okay, we are going home now. I am going to think where to go, what to do this coming day off. Oh, this is good. Looks like there's going to be something like a music. Yeah, setting up now. That's nice. I think you've seen this before. Well, just $5. There still looks good. Oh, this doesn't have any more flower. Oh, still have some in there, but they have broken already. You know, just recently I noticed that most of the cars this day are something like this, like a SUV. Look, the dog is here again. Yeah, this is my backpack. I washed it last night. I'm going to do this today so that tomorrow I don't need to worry about that. Yeah, and I will be free to go anywhere. Oh, this is my coffee this morning. I didn't finish and I didn't put back here. And now I am preparing my meal. And because this is the last, I'm going to add some egg. And I'm going also to add some of this last rocket leaves. And I still have some of this pork crackling. Just a little bit. Oh, I just received this package. Yeah, this is actually the a bag, a pannier, a new pannier, and this is how it is. So this is basically a bike bag that I can put on the rack of my bike. Yeah, so it's like a pannier, but it can also be a shoulder bag because it has this shoulder strap, and this just like you need to hook it in here. And you now have a shoulder bag like this or like this. Yeah, that is how it is. But let me show you the features of this. So basically on the both side in here it has not in here, but on this side it has a pocket, a long pocket all the way to this side. Yeah, all the way through here, so you maybe can put here a bottled water or an umbrella or a tripod, a mini tripod, or anything long. And it has also another pocket in here with zipper, and it is a waterproof design. And yeah, you have a big comfort, big space in here. Nice. And And at the back here you have this handle, and this one, so basically if you are going to use it as a shoulder bag, you just need to put it like this way. But if you're going to hook it in your bike, and this got a hook that you can put it on the, what do you call that, on the rack of your bike. Yeah, in the rear space you can put it in there. And this is the lock. To open this, all you need to do is unhook it, and this is how it is. This is actually 20 liters. You can put here 20 liters. And inside, you will notice that this one is very hard in here, because they put something like a plastic. So it's basically like a protection, because if you see inside here, there is a zipper, and inside there is like a plastic that is going to protect in case you want to put your laptop, because it also comes with a styrofoam so that the laptop is protected. I am saying laptop because there is a space for the laptop in here. And there are another 2 pockets inside. A wallet is yeah, fit in there. There are 2 pockets inside. Yeah, it's nice. And this one is waterproof. According to the description on the website, this one is a waterproof. So yeah, I basically like this. I saw this in the website and it's really good looking, but now I see in actual, it's really beautiful.